All right, hello fifth graders. Hope you are well. Today we are working on lesson 8, problem set of module 6. Let's get right started. We are going to be doing a lot of plotting today and creating and thinking about different points that we can plot that abide by certain rules. So first of all, in this first one, we're starting with create a table of 3 values for x and y. Make sure such that each y coordinate is 3 more than the corresponding, which means the point that goes along with it in its pair, x coordinate. So before I even start, I'm going to label this is x and this is y, just in case I forget. So we know that the y coordinate has to be 3 more. So let's just start thinking. Let's see, if my x coordinate, let's pick any number, is 2, then if my y coordinate is 3 more, then it has to be 5. And then if we were to write that together, it would be 2, 5, because x goes first, then y. So if we were to plot that, it'd go 1, 2 over, and then 5 up. And here that is my point. There's a 2, 5. All right, let's think of another one. Let's see if it was 10, then y needs to be 3 more. There's 13. This one's going to go a little bit off of our chart. 10, 12, and then it's a little bit above right there. It would be 10, 13. And let's do another one. How about 5? And if y has to be 3 more, it'd be 5, 8. Forgot to fill this in. Okay. 5 and then 8. Now, you are going to use your straight edge, which could be a ruler or could just be a piece of paper. Since mine is on here, mine might not be perfect, but you are going to draw your line right through. That isn't perfect. Okay. Remember, we're putting those arrows because it is a line that extends. Now we have this third part. Give the coordinates of 2 other points that fall on this line with x coordinates greater than 12. Okay, so if the x coordinate is greater than 12, let's pick a number greater than 12. Let's try 15. We know the same rule applies. Y coordinate has to be 3 more, so 15 plus 3 is 18. Let's do a really big one. What if it was 100? Same rule applies. Y coordinate is 3 more, it'd be 103. We don't need to plot those, but we know that those would still be on that line. Extended way out. All right, let's move on to the second page. Create a table of 3 values for x and y such that each coordinate is 3 times as much as its corresponding x coordinate. So automatically I'm like, is this the same? No, this one was 3 more, and this is 3 times. So let's think about it. If my x says, let's choose 2, then we need a number that's 3 times more. So 2 times 3 is 6. So it would be 2, 6. So let's plot that. 2, 6. Okay, good job. How about 4? 4 times 3 is 12. Good. 4, 12. And you can be thinking of different plots as me, as long as you are using that same rule. How about 3? And 3 times 3 is 9. So 3, 9. Using those parentheses and those commas. All right. Again, you're using your straight edge. I can't because I am on this document, but you can use a piece of paper or whatever, what has you. Oh, that's not very perfect. Okay, using those arrows. All right, now give the coordinates of 3 other plots that fall on this line with y coordinates greater than 25. So let's just think of some big numbers. Let's see. Let's try 30. So that's our y coordinate. So am I going to multiply 3 times 30? No, because that's a y coordinate and the x coordinate is smaller. So it's going to be 330 divided by 3. It's tricky, which is 10. And let's try 33. Let's see what happens. 33 divided by 3 is 11. You could use different ones, but it's only going to work if the y coordinate is a multiple of 3. All right, good job, you guys. Let's keep going. Create a table of 5 values